So today I got a great one for you. I got the new Goodfellas Valynor. What a unique looking design razor. Timeless razor, adjustable shaving handle. Brand new product out as well. First time on this channel, sharing soaps. Good soaps. A lot of people recommended this. I'm so glad I got some in my hands. And this stuff smells wonderful. I like to start a lather first, so I'm going to show you how to put together the Timeless Razor's adjustable shaving brush. So I've got a 26 millimeter knot here. You know, I like the Simpson T3, so I'm going to put this up against it. So it comes with these collets, these rubber sections right here, this piece. Not real pliable, but the way this system works is it's going to ninch down. See the gasket right there? Back that off a little bit. I'm just going to insert this brush, or this knot. This way you don't have to glue the knot into the handle. It's interchangeable. So cool. So you can buy a knot from anywhere and put it in this system. How freaking cool is that? I love it. So you get it to the gasket there, which is a water seal. And once you get it there, then you got to start applying some tension. All right. And I've been pulling on this thing a lot. It does not come apart. So I'm going to soak that down here in some water here real quick. Scarlet Zone. This stuff has a great smell to it. So I've been wanting to use that. Now, when you start breaking in a new brush, it does take 3 or 4 shaves, at least for me. So I'm not really expecting a lot out of it. So I'm just going to go in here and grab just what's around the corner here. Start loading that in. I'm going to load that into Timeless Razor shave bowl. When you buy that shaving brush, you get a free bowl right now. So that's cool. This is just a brand new product. And let's get going here. So just go down here, wet my brush. I squeeze it. And now I'm just going to go in here and start creating a lather. Some water on my face. Now I'm working with 5 days of growth. So quite a bit, especially down here on my neck. That's where I get a lot of growth at. So I'm going to do it like I normally do. Start painting this on my face. Get some more of this on here. I like to face lather, but since, you know, Timeless Razor gives you a shaving bowl, I wanted to show that one. They have multiple different colors. All right, I'm not going to go buck wild with it because I'm going to load my razor and then I'm going to get right back to it. This is Goodfellas Valynor. It's a 4-piece design. Has a brass cap, brass plate, and then a brass insert down here. So breaking this apart here, you know, typical 3-piece razor there, but since it's brass down here, you can remove that so you can keep this nice and shiny and clean. And this is just an aluminum piece, you know what I mean, that slides over top of it. But what a unique design. Look how neat that looks. Okay, very unique design. Very Italian. All right, so I'm gonna use blades that I always use just because I know what kind of shave I'm gonna get. I'm gonna use the Personas. These have no glue, no goo on them, which I absolutely love. So I'm just gonna take the base plate or the top cap here, just a standard, you know, safety razor here. Put the bottom plate on. See the writing they have down the bottom of that. Pretty nice. Made in Italy. And now it's just your typical 3-piece razor to load it. But I think I would probably pull out the handle, the brass part myself, and, you know, give that a cleaning pretty much every time. Now the nice thing is on the sides here, it doesn't have blade overhang, so you know when you're going around your nose, your ears, you're not gonna have to worry about nicking yourself, which is really cool. The weight of it, 78 grams. It's 3.62 inches long. It's about as heavy as a Merkur. Well, it is as heavy as a Merkur 34C. Got enough weight to it, right? The grip on it, wow, it's that's pretty nice. It does fit in your fingers really, really good. So let me just go back in here real quick, work this up. Brush feels really good. I mean, even for its first use, look at this. You know, I've been wanting to try sharing soaps and for a lather, that's a 10. Definitely a 10 for lather, wow. Going in for the first pass.
Guardo nello specchio e penso, ma come fai? La mente torna indietro al nostro primo incontro, storia, letto fine come in un racconto. Ti dico che sei bella e ti scherzi, ma quando mai? Dove siamo adesso? Nuoto nei tuoi occhi, la parte migliore di me. Sul mondo, amanti nello spazio, baci in slow motion sul set. La notte con te si scalda in cielo. Seguo i tuoi passi ma non ti raggiungo, lento anche se vorrei volare, si cade come un tramonto lungo, sei il primo bacio che non
Razor feels pretty good.
E quando tra di noi la tensione sale, basta tanto sorriso per dimenticare, servono parole quando siamo io e te. Dove siamo adesso? Nuoto nei tuoi occhi, la parte migliore di me. È un volo sul mondo, amanti nello spazio, baci in slow motion sul set. La notte con te si scalda.
All right, let's give that a rinse. Really good soap, man. Actually, I'm not shocked. A lot of people recommend this. Really not getting much. That first pass is pretty darn good. Pretty impressed with that.
Entri nella stanza, sono tutti stesi, i loro cuori ti hanno visto e si sono arresi. Mi guardo nello specchio e penso, ma come fai? La mente torna indietro al nostro primo incontro, storia, letto fine come in un racconto. Dico che sei bella e tu scherzi, ma quando mai? Dove siamo adesso? Nuoto nei tuoi occhi, la parte migliore di me.
Now you notice on my second pass, instead of going across the grain here, I just went against it. If you have sensitive skin and you're always getting skin irritation here on your neck, try and see if it works for you, because it does for me very well. Not going against the grain, just going, or not going across the grain, just going against the grain. And I've had great success about it. Try it and let me know if it worked for you as well. Great pass there. Really not much left. All right, so there's a little bit left down here. Let me do some touch up. I'm just gonna do it down here on my lower neck. Nowhere else. That razor is very efficient, that's for sure. See, it just picked up a little bit, but you know, enough to give me a really good shave. Wow, great razor. All right, let me rinse that off. Some cold water here. Let's go in with the almond block. This one's actually from Super Safety Razor as well. I'll put his links below for the razor. And Timeless, I'll put their link below as well. Little stinging right here. Little around my mouth. Definitely right here. Nothing lower. Right in here I got a little too much. A little too aggressive with it. Nothing here. A little bit down here. Yeah, a little tingle. Not like I'm gonna get razor burn or anything, but you know, definitely a little tingle, especially through here and right here. But good shave. I mean, I'll take it. The tingle is not nothing. All right. Let me rinse my face off. Get that alum off my face here. Cool trick with alum is, like, if you have a razor that's getting away from you because it's, you know, so soapy, if you got an alum block, you can just dip your fingers in your, you know, water and then touch your alum block and it'll give you grip. That stuff, like, if you don't rinse it off your face, it dries and it has like a, I don't know, a white haze, kind of like of a salty, you know, residue left on your face. So it's a good thing to take that off. Going to use the old-time favorite of the channel, Thayer's. Stuff is great. It's a facial toner. I put it on my face and my head. Yeah, what a good, great feeling that is, man. It's so refreshing. Just love that stuff. Now, to go on top of that, I'm going to put some Nivea shaving balm. This is one of my best products that I use. This stuff always has a good deal on it. Inexpensive, and it works great. A lot of people use it. A lot of people. Man, what a great shave. How good was it? It was pretty darn good for my first shave with it. Medium to mild aggression on your face. It's smooth enough. I'll try it with a different razor blade in it next time, but the look of this thing is phenomenal. Let me take this blade out here. It's going for $89 right now on Super Safety Razor's site. I'll put the links down below. It's brand new. It just introduced September 29th of this year, 2023. So that's cool. It's brand new. Again, it weighs 78 grams. The length is 3.26 inches or 92 millimeters. And it's made out of brass and aluminum. And when you buy it from Super Safety Razors, they throw in 5 free Parker blades. So that's nice, you know, get you started. But you're gonna want a variety pack if it's your first razor. What I was so intrigued with was this shaving brush. this adjustable shaving brush. It performed well. I'm like shocked how good this was compared to my favorite, the Simpson T3. You know, this one's drying, but they're both 26-inch knots. I actually think the AP Shaveco knot here, I think it might have a little more backbone than the Simpson. So can't wait to keep using these. I've got several different knots. I'll put their link below as well. These are $90, but you're paying for the handle. That handle's made out of aluminum and it's anodized. So, you know, you're paying for that. And then when you buy the shaving brush, they throw in one of their bowls, and they have white, blue, red, and gray. So these bowls are pretty cool. I do like the perforations in here. That worked out really well for me today. But this razor from Italy, wow, that was a pretty good shave for my first time with it. I normally don't get wowed by a razor my first time. I like the look of it. You know, you're gonna have to keep this thing polished up because it is brass, right? So you're gonna have to keep that polished up if you want that finish to maintain its luster right now, let's call it. But what a good looking razor. I'll take some pictures of it here off site here, but man, what a great looking razor. It did give me a good shave. Now I got away with 2 passes with some pickup, little tingle, but not too bad. I would say it's a medium aggressive razor feel, okay? But not like overly aggressive. I got a good shave out of that. I really did. Really got a good shave. As for Shannon soaps, man, that soap really, really popped on my face. Love the smell of it. That scarlet zone, wow, really good. The slickness of that thing was great. Where you can tell, or where I can tell if a shaving cream or shaving soap's gonna fail is that second pass when you go to lather up again. If it's not real slick, that's how I can tell that it's not, you know, higher end. You know, some of them leave better slickness on your face, and that's how I rate soaps and creams. But anyhow, that's how I do it. Usually happens on the second pass. But the bulk of that, this thing passed that test. This stuff is that good. Can't wait to try out some more of her other scents. But this stuff right here smells great. Really good. Love it. Had a great shave today. Don't forget to watch these videos right here.